My beloved child, do not be afraid. I see the weight you carry, the battles you fight in silence, and the tears you hide from the world. I have heard every prayer you whispered in the dark, even the ones you thought no one heard. I am not far from you. I am right there, holding your heart together when it feels like it's falling apart. I know you've been asking when, Lord, and why me? But hear me now, your waiting is not in vain. I am building strength in you, molding your faith, and preparing blessings that are greater than your pain. What feels like delay is not denial. What seems like rejection is my redirection. You are not forgotten. You are chosen. You are marked by my grace. I will lift you up from the ashes. I will make your name known in places you never dreamed of. I will cause light to shine where there was once darkness. When doors close, don't lose hope. I'm the one who holds the master key. When people walk away, don't cry. I am bringing new ones who will carry you higher. When you feel weak, remember that my power is made perfect in your weakness. Rise again, my child. Pray again. Believe again. Because what I promised you, I will fulfill. Not in your time, but in mine, and my timing is always perfect. So lift your head, dry your tears, and walk boldly into this day. You are not walking alone. I am with you. I will never leave you nor forsake you. This is your season of breakthrough. This is your time of divine favor. I, the Lord your God, am fighting for you. If this message touched your heart today, take a moment to thank God in the comments. Share this prayer with someone who needs to hear God's voice right now. And if you believe that your breakthrough is coming, type Amen in the chat. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Throne and Altar, and let's continue to grow in faith together. May God bless you, lift you, and surprise you with miracles this week. Amen.